Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anil and in this Laravel video tutorial we will learn about the Laravel pagination. First of all, what is the pagination? So pagination simply means when we have the thousands of data and we want to show it in the chunks. For example, we have 1000 of the data and on every page I want to show 100 data because if I just want to show the all data on a single page, then this is not a proper readable format and maybe our page will be take too much time to load, right? So that's why we need the pagination. So for that we need to make a model, controller, view, and after that we will fetch the data from the database and we will show the data with the pagination. This is my database name blog and my table name is members. Here you can see that we have just few records, 14, but we will make a small chunks of records so that we can use the pagination. Otherwise we need the thousands of data to make the pagination, and this is not possible because I need to add the manually entry for the data, right? And this is our running Laravel project. First of all, I am just going to make a view file. So just go to the view and just simply add here view list dot blade.php. Add a h1 tag like members list or something. Now let's simply create the controller. So just write here php artisan make controller, and controller name is, let's say, members controller. And hit the enter. So here you can find our controller name, and let's make a function inside it, and function name can be like show, so that we can just show the pagination, or you can put any name, return view, and view name is list. Now let's just simply make a route for it, route for this controller. So just go for the routes web.php, import this path for the members controller. So just write here app http then controllers, and our controller name is members controller, right? And now let's use the get method of the route class, and list, which is the URL for the our data, and let's use the array for the second parameter and put the colon class, and in the second value of this array define the function name where we define here, right? And at the last let's put the semicolon here as well as here. Now let's try to access it. This is working fine. Now I'm going to define my model name, and our model name should be member because our table name is members, and table name and model is a combination of plural and singular. So just write here php artisan make model, and our table name is members, so let's put the model name is member and hit that. This is also created. Here you can see it. If you want to define the manual table name because your table name and model name is not matched, then you can use here public $table and table name t name like this. But now our mapping is fine, so we don't need it. Now let's go here and import model. So just put here app models member, and now let's just store this data in the table in a variable like member : all, right? And let's pass in the second parameter in the array form. So just put here members, oh my bad, and the value of this key is data. Go to the list.blade.php, create a table here, and let's put a border 1 so that we can just see the lines with the table. and then add here tr, td, let's say id, and now let's make some more tds. First one for the id, second one for the name, third one for the email, and last one for the address. Everything is fine. Now we need to just add here a for each loop, so just use here iterate for each, and our key name is members, so just simply put here $members as $member, and now just use this table directly here, and at the last let's close the for each with the end for each, and okay, so we need a heading also, so just put one more tr outside of it. Now you can see that what we are actually getting here, a table like this, because the table is dynamic but data is still static. So just simply put here double curly braces $member and just put here id, right? And second, third, and fourth for the name, email, and it's email, right? And at the last put the address. And now let's see what we got here. We got an error, which is because this is the member, not member. And here it is. So now how we can apply the pagination here? Now you can see that all records are visible here. So let's go back to the controller and just make all and convert it with the paginate, and let's put the pagination value. So let's say I just want to show the 5 records per page. So here you can see that we have a 5 record on a single page, but how we can just access the other pages? For that you just need to go on the bottom of your page and just simply write here in the double curly braces $member, because this members, this is the data we are fetching from the member controller. So just put here members and use here links. Let's see what we got achieved here. Again, my bad, because this is a function, right? So now this is fine, but there is a little bit unhandled CSS. So for a moment I'm just going to apply a little bit CSS here, so that we can just remove this unwanted class, because they are actually just not handled by the Laravel, or maybe some bugs and all, because we did not make anything custom here, right? So just put here display none, right? And now let's see, we are able to see this. So now let's go on the second page and third page, and we can just go on the every page. We are able to see the old data. Even with that case, we can just go to the next and previous, right? So that's the way that how we can use the pagination. So now my question is, can we modify this previous and next text, and we can just modify this complete pagination? Like I just want to show this next and previous below to the 1 2 3 and all. If this is possible, then how this is possible, you can ask me. You can just attempt this interview question in the comment box, and if you don't know, then you can ask me in the comment box. And bye bye for a moment. With God bless you.